pasta noodle maker attachment.
Yeah, see, this texture is just really different. You can tell with the, what we have. So what we have, this is with Grandma's Euros recipe. I'm going to fold it in half one more time. It's not quite the right width.
Close.
Yeah. Alright.
Alright.
Yeah, I like the texture of this better. It's richer.
Yeah. We need to get some duck eggs.
Grandma knew
Duck
what
eggs.
she was doing.
Yeah, she did.
You gonna send this to Scott? We'll have to get this.
God, you need me to do that. Oh my gosh.
Which number is this? 8? This is as flat as it's gonna get. Yeah, this is what was more like your mom's. See, feel that texture.